what I'll be doing for you guys today is I'm going to be showing you guys how I tint my brows at home. So if you would like to see exactly how I do that, just keep on watching. So guys, I'm just showing you here the tint kit that I'm using. So I'm just showing you exactly what the kit comes with here. So I'm just taking stuff out of the box and showing you guys. It's really and truly very simple for you to follow along with the direction. They give you a little bowl, some sticks, as well as the cream to mix with the powder. Now the powder comes in these little capsules here, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how I mixed this up. So that's little thing there, as I'm zooming in, is the bowl, and the powder comes in these capsules, and I'm just opening that up for you guys to see. So I've placed the powder into the bowl here, and I'm just going to add the cream to it and mix that very well. So that is what I'm doing here. As you can see, it's already incorporated, and now I'm going to show you guys how I apply it. So guys, what I'm going to show you today is how I tint my brows. So I'm just going to use the Sasha Micellar cleansing water as well as a cotton rong. I'm going to use that to basically just clean the area. Now what I do is I groom my brows after the process. I don't do it before, right? So I'm just lifting my brows in place. And I showed you guys in the clip before how I mixed the dye. So what we're going to do now is just to apply it. So I'm using this is a color angle brush and the dye that I had before. So I'm just basically saturating the brush with the dye, and I'm going to fill in my brows as though this is a pomade. So I'll show you guys one, and then I'll go and do the other one off camera, and I'll come back and talk to you guys. Okay guys, I'm just going to blend out the front with this spoolie because you do not want it to look boxed like that. So you guys see how I blended that out, and I'm just using the same cotton rong and wiping excess from the top and the bottom of my lash. So guys, as you can see, this is what it looks like. So I'm going to do the other brow and I'll come back. So guys, this is what it looks like here after I've applied the dye to tint the eyebrows. So I'm going to leave it for, I think I'll leave it for about 30 to 45 minutes, and I'm going to do another video with me waxing my underarm, a maintenance video, and I'll get right back to you guys so you can see what it looks like in the end. So guys, what I'm going to be doing is I am going to remove the tint from my eyebrow right now, and what I'm going to be using to do that is again the Sasha Micellar water and a cotton rong, and you will see exactly what it looks like. Well, we both will, because this is the first time I'm attempting this. So let's see. So I've just wet the cotton, and I'm going to remove, as you can see, I'm removing the tint from my eyebrows. So this is what one eyebrow looks like here after being tinted. So this is what it looks like, and this is what it looks like with the tint on it. I'm just going to be removing it from on this side as well. Whew. So guys, this is what the brows look like after I have tinted them, and how long the tint stays on the skin is dependent on how you take care of your brows. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.